earned an arabesque sticker. See? Very graceful. Next, we practice our bourrées. Can you say beret? Bourrée! On your tiptoes, blue-footed booby birds. Beautiful. This bird has a beret sticker. See? And last, we practice port-de-bras. It's a dance with our arms. Say, port-de-bras. See, this bird earned a port-de-bras sticker. You birds have been learning so much. I know, baby booby bird, you don't have any stickers yet. But if you keep practicing, I'm sure you're going to get lots of stickers real soon. My students are so wonderful. Come on, let's clap for the blue-footed booby birds. All right, class, the bird boat will be here very soon. Let's line up at the dock. That sounds like the bird boat. Do you see the boat? Yes, here it is. The birds are so excited. They've been practicing and practicing. And today, they're going to put on a big ballet show. See? It's the Blue-Footed Booby Bird Ballet. Good luck. I'll see you at the show. Oh, I'm so excited for my students. Oh, no! Baby Booby Bird, are you okay? Wait! Stop! You left one of my students! Poor baby Booby Bird. You missed the boat.
What's the matter, June?
Baby Booby Bird fell off the boat. He's going to miss the show.
Aw, poor bird.
That's terrible.
Oh, no! Don't worry. My friends and I will get you to the show. But we're going to need your help. Will you help Baby Booby Bird get to his show? Excellent!